we be to the stage to talk about honesty. Good afternoon, everyone. Today I am here to speak about the honesty. Honesty is the best policy. This famous proverb holds deep truth in just four simple words. And honesty is liked by everyone. No one liked dishonesty. Here are simple ways to be honest. Always tell the truth if it is hard. Never take things that don't belong to you. Admit your mistakes, try to fix them. So let us today to your